Last week was a busy one with the release of the employment and inflation data postponed by the government shutdown. With the employment picture apparently softening and with inflation still running above the Fed's 2% target, we will be heading into what promises to be a dynamic 2026. Last week, we released our 2026 market outlook. If you would like to view our presentation or read a copy of our outlook, please check our website or contact your First Citizens representative. In the short Christmas week ahead, the major economic release to watch is third quarter GDP on Tuesday. This GDP print is coming late because of the government shutdown, and markets will be watching for trends in personal consumption and business investment. GDP can always be noisy, but it's been particularly so this year with distortions to trade and inventories, so we will be paying close attention to the final domestic demand numbers. On Tuesday, December 30th, the Federal Reserve will release the minutes from its December Federal Open Market Committee meeting. Because there were multiple members dissenting from December's rate cut decision, and because there appears to be less alignment in the committee on the economic and interest rate outlook, markets will be paying more close attention to these meeting minutes than usual. The next 2 Wednesdays, we will see the latest weekly jobless claims numbers. After last week's report showed the unemployment rate rising to 4.6%, the highest since 2021, investors will be watching for any signs of whether the pace of layoffs is accelerating or remaining fairly subdued. So items to watch: 1. Third quarter GDP, 2. The Federal Reserve's meeting minutes, 3. Weekly jobless claims over the next 2 weeks. With that, we wish you and your families a happy holiday season.
The views expressed are solely those of the authors and do not necessarily reflect the views of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company or any of its affiliates. This material is for informational purposes only and is not intended to be an offer, recommendation, or solicitation to purchase or sell a specific investment strategy, any security or insurance product, and should not be construed as legal, tax, or accounting advice. Please consult with your legal or tax advisor regarding the particular facts and circumstances of your situation prior to making any financial decision. While we believe that the information presented is from reliable sources, we do not represent, warrant, or guarantee that it is accurate or complete. Many companies referenced in this content are independent third parties and are not affiliated with First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. All third-party trademarks, including logos, trade names, service marks, and icons referenced, remain the property of their respective owners. Your investments in securities and insurance products and services are not insured by the FDIC or any other federal government agency and may lose value. They are not deposits or other obligations of or guaranteed by any bank or bank affiliate and are subject to investment risks, including possible loss of the principal amounts invested. Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Estimates of future performance are based on assumptions that may not be realized. This material is not a solicitation of any offer to buy or sell any security or other financial instrument or to participate in any trading strategy. Diversification does not guarantee a profit or protect against loss in a declining financial market. First Citizens Wealth FCW is a marketing brand of First Citizens Bankshares Incorporated, a bank holding company. The following affiliates of First Citizens Bankshares are the entities through which FCW products are offered. Brokerage products and services are offered through First Citizens Investor Services Incorporated, FCIS, a registered broker-dealer, member FINRA and SIPC. Advisory services are offered through FCIS, First Citizens Asset Management Incorporated, and SVB Wealth LLC, all SEC registered investment advisors. Certain brokerage and advisory products and services may not be available from all investment professionals in all jurisdictions or to all investors. Insurance products and insurance are offered through FCIS, a licensed insurance agency. Banking, lending, trust products and services, and certain insurance products and services are offered by First Citizens Bank and Trust Company, member FDIC, and an equal housing lender and SVB, a division of First Citizens Bank and Trust Company. For more information about FCIS, FCAM, or SVBW and its investment professionals, visit www.firstcitizens.com/wealth/disclosures.